Hello friends, you are very much welcome on my Future Founder channel. I have created this channel for all my friends who want to know about Onpassive. I will try to give you some important information about Onpassive. Friends, like, share, subscribe the channel if you like the video on my channel. We are in it to win it.
Hello all. Hope you are doing good. We are in it to win it. Please pay your attention. Here is a very important update. For all of us, our GoFounder back office site will be replaced within the next few weeks. With GoFounder, once it's done, here's what you have to do. Log into your GoFounder back office as usual. The company will send you one-time password to your email. New NDA will be signed. Hey will also ask you for an ID, driving license, passport etc. Right after connecting the GoFounder site and our accounts are activated, we are moving to soft launch, beta launch, which will be going on 2 to 12 weeks. Founders posts available until official launch. Price may be to head. If you want to buy another position for your family, please do as soon as possible. If you set up an account for someone else you manage, however, his name as account holder is, please change the name to your name, otherwise your identity will not be accepted for that account. You can do this in the back office in My Profile. The email address is to stay and cannot be changed by you. You'll be able to change it back to their name during the official launch, or at that time you want to give them this account. Commissions, bonus payments received during beta launch cannot be made used to buy our package at the official launch. It should be withdrawn to test the payment processor. If everything is going well, the official launch will take place latest in about 3 months, probably earlier. You all will know that it is important to have our mailid secure. So all the founders should secure your mailid. Follow these 4 steps in your own mailid. 1. Remember the password of the mail. 2. Set recovery mobile number. 3. Set recovery mailid. 4. To 2-step verification option on. Make sure to keep these 4 options secure from now on so that when we start Onpassive, we do not face any problem. When we log in Onpassive, then OTP will come in our mailid. Then it is important to secure the mailid. Even when the payment has to be transferred, payment will be transferred only by entering OTP from mailid. Founder member, we want you. So trust the process and hold your vision. To succeed, to become successful, to become financially independent, to have time freedom, to achieve the life you've always dreamed about, to secure your family's future. Friends, things are parameterizing up for soft launch. Culture in place. Get back to the person who invited you. Thanks for watching Digital Future Founder channel.